you hungry?
Love you.
Love you. See that one?
Okay.
Oh, black bear. What?
Well, I think I might work on the black pearl today. Then some aluminum panels that I want to put in that thing. Just been working so much on the goose that I hadn't had time to do it, so I think I might do that today. What you doing?
There's delegations coming to our house today.
Really? What are you doing, Bubba? Yeah? There's paint in the bedroom, and I'm getting ready to take off the trash, so just trying to get my day started. It don't look so bad with those wheels. That's my radio.
Rolling with the top down, no peanut butter guts. Prostate getting grown like a snake. Boys don't hate, but it's money to make it. Big cute mirrors, all of them broken. Black boys, white boys, just a token.
Alright, I'm back. Taking the trash off is one of those things that just a little getaway. What are you doing? I thought she was painting. I thought she was painting.
I can't paint with him around.
You ready to go? So here's the deal. I've been wanting to build some filler panels for the truck. If you've been watching the channel, I made some aluminum bead roll panels for the seats a while back. That's kind of just the start. I want to kind of carry that theme throughout the whole truck. So most likely in the end, if I get to it, I'll do like all aluminum rear wheel wells in the bed, aircraft rivets, some bead roll, same thing under the hood. And then I also want to make some filler panels for so I've taken the inner wheel wells out for now. I don't know if I'm gonna change wheels and tires or what, but these rubbed on the inner wheel wells, and so I've took them out for the time being so I can drive it. May end up doing like custom aluminum ones, bead rolled and you know, aircraft rivets and whatever to kind of tie the rest of the theme of the truck in. But I know for a fact I want to make some filler panels that go right here. Go in right there. So the metal supermarkets contacted me. If you're familiar with the metal supermarkets, they've got like 75 locations all across the US. They specialize in cut to size metal. So for like just the average Joe that's working in their home shop, if you just need certain things, you can go to them. They'll cut it to size. You buy just what you need. Pretty easy and convenient. And anyway, they contacted me and said, hey, we want to sponsor the channel. You know, can we do something together? And I said, yeah, you know, I got this truck that I want to put a bunch of aluminum panels in. If you guys want to you know, donate a sheet of aluminum to me, I could definitely use it for that. And so that's what we did. Anyway, like I said, it's pretty painless. Go check them out. Metal supermarkets. You can look at them online to see all their locations. Like I said, I think they got 75 locations throughout the US. I'm sure there's probably one near you. Let's do this.
When the sun rises, I wake up and chase my dreams. I won't regret when the sun sets, 'cause I live my life like I'm a beast. You gotta know what you wanna do. You gotta dedicate yourself to it. You gotta wake up thinking about it. Go to work thinking about it. Go to bed thinking about it. You gotta dream about it. I put my life on this. Hand to God, other hand on my chest. I like these odds. I don't play by the rules. No one does. I butter both sides of my toast, slow pump, just because. You chase the golden arrow and watch the archers mark up in the sky. Don't think these simple favors will let you backtrack straight to simple times. You gotta know, like you know gravity, that this is what's gonna happen in your life. First it's a dream, then you take action, and then you dominate. Hard up times, hard up money. Watch your smile, ain't a damn thing funny, boy. Not a damn thing funny, boy. Cut my teeth, throwing rocks in the street. You might know my name, but you don't know me, boy. No, you don't know these boys. No, you don't know. Promise I'll never quit, never say die, never let my heart see better than my eyes. Put my feet on the edge, 1,000-foot drop. That's how it feels when you're looking down from the top. Last words don't turn men to hell, fighting bloodthirsty demons overnight. It takes a generation of square-jawed hammerheads to hang these city lights. And I'm not saying it's easy. You gotta work for this. You gotta be persistent. You gotta be dedicated. But why shouldn't it be that way? If your life's gonna be better than everybody else's. Hard up times, hard up money. Watch your smile, ain't a damn thing funny, boy. Not a damn thing funny, boy. Cut my teeth, throwing rocks in the street. You might know my name, but you don't know me, boy. No, you don't know these boys. No, you don't know. No more time, no more chips. Everybody place your bets. Chicken dinner, no regrets. Mama said he did the best he could. The opposite of what he should be. Grandma girl, call the lawyer. Uncle hustle got something for you. No one cares, it's all the same. I do this for the love of the game. I'm not Drake, fuck the fame. I keep my money, you can make it rain. And we all take risks, that's my crew. Nobody tells us what to do. We made this happen, never through, we're gone. Killer. Hard up times, hard up money. Watch your smile, ain't a damn thing funny, boy. Not a damn thing funny, boy. Cut my teeth,
fit. Just trimmed them up till I got them to fit like I wanted to. And I just drew the sections that I wanted to bead rolled on the panels, put it back in the truck just to make sure that the look was there that I wanted. Now I just got to bead roll them up, and we'll scuff them, probably coat them with a nice coat of shark hide. Things turned out pretty sick. Probably have to scuff and maybe recoat again. Just a couple little blems, but other than that, they turned out really nice, and they match the seat exactly. I don't know if you haven't seen the ones that I made for the seat a while back. So there's the seats. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I did my part. Now go do work, son.
You gotta know what you wanna do. You gotta dedicate yourself to it. You gotta wake up thinking about it. Go to work thinking about it. Go to bed thinking about it. You gotta dream about it. I put my life on this. Hand to God.